Hi guys. Hi guys, Matt Catwithy here, joined with
Nick the volcano.
We're on separate worlds right now, but we're doing a challenges video. It's where we go it's where we do challenges in a vanilla world with no mods or with mods. I have shaders and a texture pack on. So
what does that mean?
Shaders? Oh, it's like a fancy word for, you know how there's shading outside?
Yeah.
It's like that, but in Minecraft. So without further ado, let's begin the video. Okay, so our first challenge here today is to
build a house.
Yes.
Or build a base.
Or you can go wherever you would like to build it. Ooh, I found a beehive already. I'm not sure where I'm gonna build mine right now.
I know where I'm building mine, right here.
I think this might be a good place because I spawned here.
Can we build underwater?
Sure. I'm pretty sure I have my sounds on. Let me check. Hold on, did I turn off Minecraft sounds? I don't remember. Hold on, let me check. Oh, I did. There we go.
I'm building a pickaxe so I can get some coal. Cobblestone and wood.
I spawned in with stuff. Yeah, I think it'll be good. I'm gonna make about 30 furnaces.
Hooray!
Yeah, one for a smoker, one for a blast, and then just one for one. Okay. What's this? Doterite. Okay. My texture pack looks different with that on. Cobblestone? What is this? Dirt? Yeah, I don't want no dirt. Over here thinking it's cobblestone. That was a bit too easy to get. We have this on peaceful right now until we build our house. Okay, I need 24. And then I'll make some. And plus some so I can have... You know what? I'll try to go for a stack or more. So what are you doing right now? Stop it!
I'm building a base underwater.
An underwater base. Ooh, okay, I'm just making sure it's not nighttime yet. Even though we're safe during nighttime because it's on. Ah, great, my pickaxe broke. I guess I go chop some wood. Ooh, a sheep.
I'm gonna need lots of blocks.
What's this? Oh wait, is that my... I like this place. I'm staying here. Wow, I'm near a flower field too. Ooh, and an ice spike biome.
That's an ice spike biome.
You know, ice spike, it's in the name.
Ice?
Yes, and it's like a valley, I guess, where I am. I fell in water. Oh god. At least talk to me. Chickens die. Get back here. Oh, hold on. I guess we'll just cut down a tree. Let's not. Everything looks old timey. Okay, let's make a.
I wonder how long it's going to take me to do this. It's going to take me forever.
Oops.
No, but I want to build a base on water, not underwater. It's going to take forever to build a base underwater. Because then, once you get it all enclosed, you get a roof, you get the walls and everything. Then you got to place blocks on the inside to get rid of the water.
Yep.
I'm just going to do one on land. But it's going to be made out of glass.
Okay. Got a lot of options. Okay, hold on. Let's put this here. So the first thing I'm gonna make is 3 furnaces. But which one's the furnace? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Done with that. What's the cookables? That's a painting. That's a painting. That's a painting. There we go. I don't feel stupid right now.
Where did you do that?
I don't feel stupid at all. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Freaking killing will be much easier now. Okay, now let's place this chest I got when I spawned in next to this, and let's just empty it. Ooh, mushrooms looks cool. Ooh, I have a cactus. I can make a cactus farm. Wouldn't that be great? I'll burn that later. Do. Let's see where the furnaces I have. Here they are. I'm just gonna place one for now. This is gonna be my temporary base. Let's put those there. Let's place my torches. I'm gonna place one here. That's gonna be my special sword. Let's cook some chickens. So we're on peaceful, but for when we're on easy mode. What would you say?
What?
Any words on this?
What?
At least speak. Entertain people.
I am entertaining people.
I really want to find a bed. I want to make a good looking house. I spawned it in where a bunch of caves are.
What level are you on?
1.
Not even on level 1.
I move quickly, okay? That pig scared me. Get back here, die. That was like my voice. Oh my god, there's like, I don't know how to explain this.
Should I make a glass house or
Do what you please. That's like a lava thing at the side of a mountain. That defies physics, but okay. I think defies physics, but
Well, I know what I'm doing.
okay. Type pig. There we go. Okay, I'm not going over there quite. I'm gonna get this pig. Maybe. I don't see any more sheep, and I'm trying to get a good look at my area. There's my house over there. Oh, there's bunny.
Kill them for food.
Why would you?
Eat them for food.
I don't really know what to say. That statement. Cow. 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 Cow.
Beef.
Beth. I'm gonna get his Beth.
Beef sticks.
Beef sticks?
I'm gonna do a layer of glass, then a layer of wood, then a layer of glass, and a
Oh,
layer
you
of
sneaky
wood.
chicken. Let me kill you.
I'm gonna show
Okay.
you after I'm done with my house. No lookies until we're finished.
Okay, I'm gonna climb this mountain to see if there's any sheep up here.
Are you allowed to cuss in your video?
No, I don't cuss.
You sure about that? You 100% positive? You sure?
Yes, I am, Shorty.
Shorty.
Yeah, you short. You know it good and well. You short.
You sure?
You short.
What kind of short people?
I'm not making fun of short people. I'm making fun of you for being short. No.
Most people are gonna hate me because I'm using wood to grind. Somebody come get her. She's touching my stuff.
Let me climb this mountain.
Have you even started on your house yet?
Oh no, I forgot about the topic. I was too focused on getting a bed.
Well, let's about getting the bed first. It's about getting those things.
I guess I'll start making my house, but I'll just use it. Okay. Okay, do we have any,
I'm gonna complete the challenge in like 11 minutes. Wait, once we go through and edit it, will it be as long as what we do?
sometimes it'd be longer, sometimes it'd be shorter, but y'all, you know guys, we'll be right back. I'll be right back when I'm done with my house. Bam! So yeah, this is my house. As you can see, I took a while for me to build. It's nice and sunny out today. Yeah, house tour. So this is the main area, a little room I decided to build, and my bedroom. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So, yeah. Let's close this door. So, I'll show you this is my house. I'll show you in the there'll be a picture on the top right corner up there. Yep, right there, that's Nick's house. Without further ado, goodbye.